This got dropped off a week ago or more. I think it's Amish Andy's, but I don't know for sure. Nobody's claimed prize to it. Okay, we got a new project. Amish Andy dropped this off. Hitch is foobarred. Horse pulled it apart. It's all broken out down there. So he wants, I guess he wants this part fixed. I don't know really what he wants. It's been here for a week. I ain't seen him. But she's a 6-foot cut, or working with. No buddy seat on this one. We had independent adjustments on how aggressive our discs are. Yeah, I can't move it, but it basically changes it this way and that way. And then of course this is our depth, or how hard it goes in the ground. So I think we got to fix this up. Okay, we got Amish Andy's disc tricycle front end here taken apart. Kind of whooped, but I don't think he cares. Here's the piece we got to make over. That's a cast piece. That went like that. Kind of like that. We kind of sketched drop what it is. We're going to use this as our center tube. It's a little bit smaller, but it should probably work fine. That's all we got to work with. But yeah, look at this junk. Yeah. This is what we're friggin' stuck working on. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, we got Amish Andy's little bracket made. Hold it in place. Ready for him to come give us some cash. Thing's pretty junky, but don't go too fast, I guess. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kids.